Oh, little Spidey's getting toasted. Cooked. Oh, God, we're getting cooked. He put his little web in the fucking light. Here, go, bud. Kind of hot in there, man. Here you go. I must have been getting hot. Fuck this, get me out of here. This shit had to be getting hot on his ass, man. And he wasn't even looking to escape. Oh shit, we got it recording. Here we go. Saturday, 2043, 8 seconds year, 2022, 8th month, August, 6th day. Now, I got the fucking hydrogen light on this motherfucker. And we got the glasses on so I can see what the fuck's going on. To see how bent the... See how bent out of fucking shape these things are. Anyway, I'm the vid is to give you an idea in case you're having problems too. Get some glasses or where the fuck and a light. Okay, so there I can see a little bit of a kink right there. And I can see that there's fucking some of the material is delicate and it's bendable with the finger. You might not be able to see it. You don't have to see it. It's just as long as I see it. That right there. You might be able to see that. That's delicate right there. Delicate material. I can see that it's not perfectly straight. So, might want to pound it out a little bit here with the... Straighten it up a little bit. Not too much that we fucking flare shit out. And then... get the paper towel and get some of this messy shit, more of this messy shit out of here. Use a stick. Get the stick in there. I'm just getting out the excess grease out of the edges and shit in there. Alright. And now let's set this fucker in here. Let me actually look at the... Okay, so there's another rim. I can see I cleaned the grease a little bit more. I can see that there's another rim down below there. A smaller rim. So I'm wondering, is there one inside? Yes, there is. There's one inside too. There's a smaller rim inside. So let's clean the grease off the smaller rim inside also. So I'm thinking to myself, when we press this thing in, okay, kind of set it up at a little angle, where the fuck angle this fucker. When I first turned the light on, there was a fucking spider in there, in a fucking web. I saw him in there, I turned it off, and he's still moving. Then I fucking moved it over there. I think he jumped down or something. Then I put my fucking hand in there and held it for how long this light was on. And I thought to myself, that fucker must have been fucking toasting. Why didn't he help himself off quick? So I turned the light off real quick. Let's see how. Turn it off. It starts to cool down pretty quickly. So yeah. So that's what I get for being too fast. Sometimes little creatures get fucking hurt because we get in a fucking hurry. Little fucking spider has to fucking suffer. Little bug has to suffer. I mean, fuck that. Poor little guys, you know, rich little guys. Alright, so when I start putting this in there, I can kind of slowly but surely start to see what's probably going on now. I'm thinking to myself, just might want to. Anyway, that gives you an idea. I ain't here to belabor the process. I'll be here probably another 2 hours. Anyway, gets you an idea. The glasses and the fucking light. And the little rim you can see. So, later.